In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the superscript feature in Google Docs effectively. Whether you're working on mathematical equations, chemical formulas, or simply want to add some stylistic flair to your text, superscript can be a handy tool. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily apply this formatting to your documents. To begin, you'll want to open Google Docs in your preferred web browser. Simply navigate to the Google Docs homepage and access your account. Once you're there, open a new blank document or an existing one, depending on where you want to insert the superscript. If you're starting from scratch, just click on Blank to open a new document. This process ensures you're all set up and ready to apply the formatting. Next, it's time to type out the text that you wish to modify. This could be anything you need for your document. However, make sure to leave room for the text that you will be converting into a superscript. Once you have your text in place, you can proceed with applying the superscript to the specific characters that need it. Now, let's access the Format menu. Look towards the top of your Google Docs interface, and you'll see a series of options on the menu bar. You need to click on Format, which will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various formatting options for your document to help you customize text styling. With the Format menu open, hover your cursor over the Text option. This is going to provide you with additional text features beyond the standard bold, italic, and underline. Once you hover over text, you'll see a secondary menu appear to the right of the drop-down. Within that menu, locate and click on the option labeled Superscript. As you select this option, the text you highlight will instantly transition into superscript format, appearing smaller and slightly elevated above the baseline. This effect is instantly visible in your document. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and efficient editing, you can use Ctrl and the period key simultaneously. Hold down the Ctrl key and tap the period key once to achieve the same effect. This shortcut is a great way to speed up the formatting process once you get accustomed to it. After you have activated the superscript feature, it's time to type the number or character you wish to appear in this format. Go ahead and type it. It will show as a smaller character, slightly elevated from the rest of your text, capturing that superscript look effortlessly. There you have it. A quick and straightforward method to add superscripts in Google Docs. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, this skill will surely enhance your document presentations. Thanks for watching and happy writing.